guys, if you're interested in this makeup look that I created, and if you're interested in my personal opinion about what I think about this palette from Laura, then please just keep on watching. So basically, my first impression when I received this palette, first of all, it came out in this black box. Open the box, this is how it looks on the inside. It has her logo right over here. The palette comes wrapped once again. It has the Laura logo sticker, and also is protected with bubble wraps so nothing happens to the eyeshadow palette. You also receive inside a card from Laura with a beautiful picture from her. I love her. I think she's beautiful and I love her personality. I don't understand when some people might not like her, because I don't know, to me she has a very fun personality and I like that. Water. Well, Jaybird tells you fairy copper foil with gold reflex, so that's exactly what it is. And I love that she included that in the back of the card, so thank you, Laura Lee, for that. So this is how the palette looks from the outside, and I love the packaging. Once you open the palette, it has a very long size mirror. And my voice is leaving. Whew. Here is how the eyeshadows look. Okay, something's going on with my light. Please just focus on the color. So I hope that you guys can see the color, because my light was going a little bit crazy. Beautiful eyeshadow shades, by the way. The packaging has such good qualities. I mean, you could even bend this part all the way to the back, and you can grab your palette and just start doing whatever it is that you need to do, girl. I love the fact that there is 3 different finishes in here. There is matte, there is shimmer, and there is chrome, like shimmer chrome finish. These eyeshadows are really good quality. They blend beautiful. I didn't really see any patchiness or anything. My palette, I didn't have any problem. Like, the eyeshadows are not coming out like people are saying that the eyeshadows are coming out. I don't know, but my palette didn't have any problem, and it's beautiful. The colors blend beautiful, and overall it's just a beautiful palette. I really don't have anything negative to say. I'm sorry, because my voice, I'm still like not 100% okay. I've been sick for more than a month already, and I'm still not 100% well. I still have a little bit of sore throat. I know that this is a nude palette, but there is a huge but. This palette is very different. Very, very different than a regular nude palette. Okay, you have a bit of peach, you have a little bit of yellow going on. It's beautiful. This palette is absolutely gorgeous, and I love it. That is my personal opinion. Some of you guys might not agree, but I actually prefer this palette over the Soft Glam palette. Simple as that. I mean, I love the Soft Glam palette, and I'm so happy that I actually have both, because I mean, they are different shades, but some of the shades are a bit similar. Not necessarily the same, but just somewhat similar. About 5 of the shades are a little bit similar. And I think she did an incredible job. Thank you, Laura Lee, for creating this palette, because I'm in love with this palette. I am so going to be using this palette again and again, because I love it and it's beautiful. Congratulations, because you did an amazing job. I know you're not gonna watch this video whatsoever, but still, you did amazing. Congratulations. And guys, I highly recommend, if you see this video, that most of you guys will not see my video, I highly recommend this palette. I really don't have anything negative to say, and that's pretty much my opinion. And I'm not sure if to do swatches for this palette. I mean, there's so many videos already out there that people have done swatches, and I just pretty much wanted to give my opinion about it and my first impression about the palette, of, you know, what I thought about the palette. And that was pretty much it. But I don't know, should I? What the heck, let me just go for it. Let me do the little swatches so you guys can see. Okay, this one is called Stark Undress Topless Striking Uncover Strip Bare Expose All Natural Reveal Jaybird, which is beautiful. I have nothing, not even similar to that shade in my collection, and butt naked above and naked. So let me swatch real quick. So let's start with the color Striking. Ooh, pigment. Now I'm going to get the color Strip. Ooh. I'm going to get the color Butt Naked. I'm going to get the color Topless. I'm going to get the color Bear. I'm going to get the color Naked. Get this color right here called Jaybird. This color is just absolutely beautiful. So let me put a little bit of Butt Naked in my lower lash. I'll be putting Start in my inner eye. Look at the color on the dress. And I'm going to be putting that color right over here in my brow bone. Now I'm going to get the color Start. Let me put eyeliner. So I'm going to put liquid eyeliner, and this is the one from Stila. Let's put a little bit of mascara on. I don't really feel like putting fake eyelashes for today. I guess I'm being lazy today. So this is the Velvet Noir from Amar Jacobs, and it's not my favorite mascara by any means, but I like it. It's not bad. Oh, do you guys see that little black dot right there? Yeah, that is the reason why I don't necessarily love this mascara. I do get a lot of fallout throughout the day, and I don't know. So let's complete this makeup look. Ooh, that's a pretty color. This liquid lipstick, I feel is perfect for this eye look. What do you guys think? I'm very happy with the overall look that I have. What is going on with this liquid lipstick though? No. What? That is not pretty. No. Oh no, this is terrible. Oh my god, I really don't recommend this liquid lipstick from the brand. It says Beauty Crop Power Girl liquid lipstick. Never mind. I'll be getting a different color. This color is very similar to the one that I had before, and this is the one from Kylie Jenner in the color Kristen. That brown Power Girl is a total disaster. Now we're talking. So anyways, you guys, that concludes for this makeup look. And yeah, I hope that you guys like it, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would really help me out a lot, and I would highly appreciate it. So anyways, guys, have a beautiful day, night, wherever you guys are and you're watching this video. Till the next one, guys. Ciao. Mwah.